This is a tutorial for Genspark AI where I'm gonna be revealing how step by step you can use Genspark AI, and for multiple use cases this particular tool is available where you can actually create a super agent. You can actually do agentic tasks using this just by doing normal conversations with your AI, and you can generate AI slides, AI sheets, and AI documentations. AI developer where you can actually do a vibe coding platform, AI designer where you can actually design graphics, Clip Genius, AI chat, AI image, AI video, AI meeting notes, and all agents. So this is basically a Genspark AI, and it is an umbrella where you can actually have a lot of things exist over here. So for now, let's go ahead and see the further use cases. So let's go ahead and quickly create powerful presentation using AI slides option in Genspark. This is Genspark AI slides, and all you have to do is just basically communicate. If you already have a set of text available for any of your specific PPT which you want to generate, you can simply paste it over here. And for now, I'm just gonna give a simple prompt over here, and I'm just gonna reveal that how you can actually do that. Design a super check, feel, and vibe presentation on how non-coders can learn. Keep text minimal in each, and there we go. So the PPT is ready, and you can see all. You can edit anything and everywhere. You can simply just click on advanced edit, and it is gonna go ahead and you can help you edit. You can simply just type just now how normally which you do, and if you want to change any text you can do that as well, as simple as that. So if you want to edit anything over here, you can just simply do that, and if you click on back to AI slides, you can actually download the code as well. If you go onto the code mode, you can actually copy the code and you can use it anywhere, and if you're a non-coder, you can do all the edits and everything here itself. So it is that simple over here, and you can actually create this and you can export it as a PDF, PPT format, and Google Slides format as well. You can also save this as a template in your Genspark AI dashboard, and you can also create AI assisted video with your podcast style commentary. Like if you have been using Notebook LM in Gemini, it is more of like that kind of feature. You can actually go ahead and share this with any of your team member as how you usually do for Google Drive links and everything. And if you want to click on the thinking mode, it will show you the step by step how it has gone ahead and done the thinking for each and every slide. So this is how easy it is to generate any slide on Genspark AI. And now we are going to be testing other features of Genspark AI. So for example, if you come here, you click on this new button, you will get to see multiple more options are over here. The super agent AI slides which we just tested, AI sheets, AI docs, developer, AI designer, photo genius, clip genius, where you can actually upload your any long form of content and it is going to help you edit the videos just like Opus Clips does. Then you can create your AI podcast, you can create an AI chat, which is my most favorite part. We'll get into it later on in this video. And this AI video, AI image, deep research, then fact checker, then call for me. You just have to connect your number and this AI will do the calling for you just like any super AI agent does. Download for me, then AI inbox, then AI meeting notes. So let's check this next tool, which is AI sheets. And the task which I have in my mind is I'm gonna go ahead and ask AI to do a research on top 5. Let me just dictate that, and I've given that prompt, and most probably it is gonna do the research and log the whole research into a sheet on the right side for you. And this is basically using the custom agent of Genspark AI, which is over here. This custom agent is basically capable of doing anything and everything as claimed by Genspark, and you can see now it has started to do the research for us as we requested, and it is doing some research using multiple tools. You can also see that, and you can also see what all task is going on. For example, if you want to switch from one task to another task, you can switch from here and you can again come back over here. So the research is done, and you can see over here we have been provided with 5 Instagram reels over here, and it has created the trend name, description of each video, the content type it is, example, and the creator's name, the key feature of this particular thing, and then it has also provided us the URL of the particular videos which you can click over here. So this is the reel it is showing as the most trending one, and it has also provided more benefits as well. Key insights and trends, AI voice narration, documentary style POV video are emerging. So it has also provided us the key insights and what is trending in 2026, and popular AI tools for Instagram reels. Is primary function is native video editing. As you can see, it says over here that key
key insights included, and these are the things which has included. And the bonus section, I've also included a table of 5 most popular AI tools for creating Instagram Reels in 2026, including Instagram Edit apps, CapCut, G2 AI, Opus Clip VN Editor. So you can see this was just done in a minute of seconds. So you can just click on full screen, you can watch it, look at it just like this, and you can actually use it, export it onto your desktop, and you can actually use it like in a real use case. Coming back to my main dashboard of Genspark AI, and here you can see multiple things are over here, and this is my most favorite thing because this is first thing, it's free, and it gives you the option to chat with multiple models like Grok, Gemini, Claude, O3. So you can have a look and feel of how everything is working with different LLMs. You can also choose to this mixture of agents. So whatever prompt you provide over here, it is gonna go ahead and select the best LLM based on the use case you have provided. And then coming back to image generation tool and fact check deep research. Another thing which I like the most over here is the call for me feature, where you can actually click on call for me feature, and basically you just have to first, when you are gonna be this on the first time, you'll have to just verify your number by receiving an OTP. You'll get a OTP received on your phone, and just verify that, and then that's simple as that, your phone number will be connected with this. And now what you can do is basically, for example, if you want to give a call onto a restaurant and check whether XYZ is available or not, or maybe you want to give a call to your customer and you don't want to forget that, so you can actually do the thing over here. You can provide the purpose of the call, and you can actually call now, and you can actually schedule the call, and it is gonna go ahead and call for you in based on your context. And once the call is over, you're gonna be receiving the summary of the call on your registered email ID. So that's how cool it is, and best thing is it is all inside one. I don't know why this tool is still underdog, but this I have recently discovered it, and I thought of getting this introduced to you guys over here. Let me know into the comment section what more tools you want me to introduce in this particular video in the comment section below. There are like thousands of tools over here, and they keep on adding multiple more tools every now and then. So you can see over here, this is an image generation tool. Now if you click on this, you get to access of multiple models like ByteDance, Nano Banana, Flux 2.0, Z image models, which we are not even. So you can see there's a text remover model as well, which is basically more efficient on removing any text from any image. Then background remover tool, clarity upscale, then Quen image. Again, these are multiple tools under one roof. That is the best thing about it. You can actually provide your image, you can drop in your image, and you can go ahead and create your images and create a style and everything. You can actually choose the style and everything, and that's the most powerful thing which this particular tool has done. And that's all from my end for this particular video, and let me know into the comment section what are your use cases with this particular tool, and what more tools you would like to see Genspark to be introducing in the near future. And I'll see you in the next